How to create a table in Excel. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a table in Excel. So let's get started. First of all, let us write down, for example, if we're creating a table of students. So what you're going to do is just type in students as a heading and then press enter. And now you can see that if you wish to merge the students within 4 number of cells, so you're going to click on merge and center, and now you can see that it is centralized and looks nice. And now over here you're going to type down something like roll number. So after that, in the next one, I'm going to type down something like name, and then I'm going to type in age, and here I'm going to type in gender, and then press enter. And now you can see that these are the 3 columns, so you can change the color for the column. For example, if you wish to make it green or like this, so I'm going to make it like this. Now over here you're going to type down the roll number. So the roll number, I'm going to start it from 1. So once you've written down 1, you can simply click on this over here and drag it to the bottom, and then you're going to click on this options over here and then click on fill series. So you don't really need to write down the roll number manually for each student. You can simply drag it down, and that's it. Now over here you can type down the names and then age and then gender. Now if you wish to make this table bordered, you can simply select the full table, and then you're going to click on this over here. You're going to click on this, and then you can select which type of border you want. You can simply click on more borders. For example, I want all borders. Now you can see that this is all borders here right now. And if you wish to change the color for this as well, you can simply make it something like this. So that was basically how you can create a table in Excel. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.